Hi everyone, my name is Isla and today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Fonts in your ArcGIS Hub sites and pages. I've just got one of the inbuilt ArcGIS Hub templates open here, and I'm going to go into the theme settings and have a look at the font settings at the bottom. If we click this cog icon, we'll be able to go into the Customize Theme Font settings, and here we have a link to the Google Fonts page. Now you can browse the full catalog here because there's lots of fonts to choose from, but I know the exact one that I'm looking for, and it's called Playfair Display. Now you see it's the first option that's come up, and if we click into this, we'll have a Get Font button and then a Get Embed Code button. Now all we really need from this code is the URL to the font, but I quite like going on the Import button because it makes the URL a bit more obvious. And all we need to do is copy this URL between these two quotation marks. And if we go back to our hub page, we can now paste the URL for our font. Now we also have to put in the name of our font family. As you might remember, this is called Playfair Display. And I have to be quite careful here to make sure that I've got the capitals in the right place, otherwise it won't work. If we preview our font, we can see that it has worked, and if we click apply, we can put it on our page. And if we can just scroll down here, we can see what this looks like. Now you may be wondering why some of the text hasn't changed fonts yet. So here, for example, and this is because we have a base font and a heading font. So these are actually headings. And all we need to do to change this is just repeat the same steps as before. So typing in the name of the font family. We can preview again and click apply. And there we go. It's all done. And we have a lovely Google font on our ArcGIS Hub page. See you next time.